Yanzitao stands at the midpoint between Nanzhuang Old Street and the Ecology Trail. The owner, nicknamed Yanzi, loves pottery. Thus, she named her art garden Yanzitao, meaning Yanzi Pottery. The garden is over 3,000 square meters. Aside from a landscape fit for a fairy tale, this place also offers a unique DIY experience that quickly shows visitors how wonderful life is in a slow city.
Making pottery by hand takes time. First, you need inspiration. You need an idea. What exactly do you want to make? What's the story you're trying to tell? So we're always thinking about how to share our pottery culture and how to tell stories in clay. Before you start, you need to prepare the clay by wedging or by otherwise bringing out its elasticity. It'll make the structure more stable. Once you've done wedging the clay, you can hold it in your palm and use your hand on it to control its roundness. See? Now it's nice and round. Now we'll stack our palms and press down. Look, I'm going to start shaping it from the bottom. Generally, we use our thumb, pointer, and middle finger like this. Pitching it from the middle like this. Pinch in circles. Go around slowly. Keep the amount of force consistent.
Like this?
Let me see. It also depends on what you want. Very nice.
Oh, is it?
It's very nice. Better than mine. Now we want it a bit taller, right? To stand up? Same deal. Pointer and middle finger. Pinch, then together. Bring it up, not too fast. One step at a time. Even pressure. See that? Just like that, it gets taller.
Yeah, it has a shape.
Oh, this is fun. Now that you are doing this, it reminds me that I did something similar before. But they had like a machine that had to be plugged in and then it would spin really fast. But this feels more intimate.
Intimate?
Yeah, because you can control the speed.
Yes.
And you can take your time like fine-tuning each little part. It's hard to just fail.
You can shape it more with your fingers.
Yeah, this has the human touch.
That's it. The human touch.
Okay, speaking of slowing down, we finally come to an important part of my life, like slowly savoring coffee.
It smells so good.
Oh, we're finally about to make coffee, right?
Right. You can experience the process of roasting coffee yourself.
Does using different equipment to roast the coffee produce different flavors?
Oh, we roast the coffee in a ceramic pot. As soon as it cools, it can be grounded and then used to brew coffee. The flavor is more full-bodied. Mainly, the thing is to combine it with the pottery we have here. These are our raw beans.
Still raw.
Pour them in the pot.
All of them?
Yes, all of them at once.
They sound so crisp. Just the sound is therapeutic.
That's right.
Okay, your turn.
Next is this. What do we do?
Yes, each batch takes about 20 minutes. While they're roasting, they need to be stirred continuously to keep them from sticking to the bottom because the ceramic pot gets extremely hot so the beans could burn. Then it wouldn't be good coffee.
Yeah, the heat needs to be applied evenly. So the beans need to go round and round.
Yes, all of them.
So they're evenly heated.
Yeah, so every bean gets turned over. When roasting in a ceramic pot, we usually do a light to medium roast to preserve the original flavor of the beans.
Anyone can come here and try.
Yes, that's right. Come here and try.
The sound really is therapeutic. So is the environment here particularly good for growing coffee, this kind of coffee?
Well, the elevation here is about 400 meters, and then because of the landscape, we get half sun and half shade. So yes, it is a good environment for coffee.
Just right all around.
Yeah.
Hey, the color changed. Here, let me.
Okay, you take over.
The sound of it popping is therapeutic too, like popcorn.
Yeah, for medium roast, we go to the first crack. As soon as the popping slows, we turn off the heat.
One of the joys of life is coffee. Just smelling it is therapeutic. Finally, we've gone through the whole process today. We make our own cups. We took our raw beans and roasted them.
Yeah, we roasted them ourselves.
And now we can take our work home and enjoy our own coffee. Wow, I just love it.
Think about it, a lot of people drink coffee. Often we drink it just to feel more awake. But here, coffee has gained new meaning. It's a leisurely, unhurried feeling. You must take your time enjoying your coffee like this often, right?
Yeah, sometimes in the morning I'll make a coffee for me and my family and then slowly savor it like this.
Wow, nature here is so amazing. Look at this. So beautiful. And your deck here is beautifully designed too. And then add a cup of coffee. It's not secondary. To me, it's the main character.
That's right.
You can really enjoy it.
That's right.
It really is.
The rich aroma of coffee picked and roasted on the spot rising from the cup is an embodiment of the simplicity and passion for life which characterize an international slow city. One of the most important of Citaslow's 8 conventions is fostering local culture and protecting local customs' cultural heritage. Meanwhile, Nanzhuang's Old School Art Association emphasizes the importance of seniors as artists in preserving culture. Caring for them is also a way of taking inventory of cultural assets. Each brushstrokes of every painting represents deep love for their home, Nanzhuang. The old school team gathers in places where people live in order to narrow the distance between older artists and the general public so people, regardless of age, can get to know Nanzhuang as an international slow city through participatory art classes and oral history. Hi everyone!
Hey!
Hello.
Hello!
What you're up to?
We're drawing.
Oh, cool.
It's beautiful, right?
Beautiful.
Amazing!
You look so focused.
Yeah, right now we're in the middle of an art class.
Awesome.
So on here are cute mini versions of each of us. These are drawstring bags, so what we're doing today is coloring them in pointillist style.
Wow, you made a cute mini version of themselves.
That's right.
So adorable.
It really is. Can we join in?
Of course.
Okay, we're here to learn from you.
Thank you.
So it's all like little dots. Seems like it take a long time, right?
Right. It's a hand exercise.
You can really feel it.
Very creative. Also, as soon as we came into the room, I saw something I really like it on the wall over there. Like finding the secret to longer life, because as you get older, you have fewer interests, right?
Right.
So it's important to find new interests.
That's right.
It brings joy to your life.
I think it's all about giving seniors an interest. I think seniors really need to find things they like so they keep using their brains and their hands and stay active so they can live longer and healthier. May I ask, do you have a fun activity like this every single day?
Yes, 5 days a week from 9 in the morning until noon.
Oh, so if it's every day, that's like 20 artworks a week. Where do they go?
Under the bridge, all of their art turns into community art.
I didn't know that was their art.
We saw it outside earlier.
We saw a bunch of beautiful murals.
Oh, they all came from here.
Yes, they use pointillism to express their natural talent.
Sometimes those of us from the big city need to learn to be like these seniors. Not everything has to be done in a rush. Sometimes you just have to take a deep breath and enjoy the present. Enjoy how it feels.
Nanzhuang, a beautiful city blessed by the mountains. So go to the words of praise, hidden among the bold songs of the Pastai at Shangtian Lake. The complex fabric patterns pass from one generation to the next by the attile, the bustle and warmth of the old street, the gods of Yongchan Temple, the bright colors of Hakka floral fabric, and the eternal fragrance of the Hakka Lutangqi. Together, they weave a unique, beautiful tapestry well worth experiencing for young and old alike. Come to this internationally recognized slow city and let your soul fly free. This trip to Nanzhuang, Miaoli really brought together lots of different cultures. So, Uyan, which one was your favorite today?
Oh, there are so many that made me really feel like slowing down. I really love the Sunshine Valley and the Ecology Trail.
Taiwan has many more places well worth exploring.
That's right.
I'm Will.
I'm Uyang.
Linking368 Taiwan. Where are we going next time?
See you next time.
咱斗阵坚强来去，心为一尾坚强，有我来练。